Speak English with confidence. Imagine this. You step into a beautiful cafe in London or New York. Your heart is racing. The air smells like fresh coffee and sweet pastries. You see a group of people chatting, laughing, speaking English so fluently. You want to join the conversation, but suddenly you know what to say, yet your lips don't move. You feel nervous. What if you make a mistake? What if they laugh? What if you forget a word? Your hands feel cold. Your heart beats faster. You think, should I just stay quiet? But then something happens. A young woman beside you turns, smiles, and says, "Hey, what's your name?" The moment has arrived. You must answer. But will you speak confidently, or will fear stop you again? Why do we fear speaking English? Millions of people around the world struggle with speaking English, not because they don't know the words, but because they don't have confidence. Have you ever felt like this? You understand English, you can read, you can write, but when it's time to speak, your voice disappears. This is not just your problem. It happens to many people, even those who study English for years. But here's the truth. Speaking English is not about being perfect. It's about being confident. So how can you speak English with confidence? Let's unlock the secret. The secret to confidence in English. There is a hidden truth about confidence that most people don't realize. Are you ready for it? Confidence is not something you are born with. It is something you build. Think about it. Were you born knowing how to walk? No, you fell many times, but you kept trying. Now you walk without thinking. Speaking English is the same. You need practice, patience, and the right mindset. But wait, what if I told you there's an easy way to gain confidence in English? A way so simple that even a child can do it. Yes, it exists. And today you will discover it. Step 1, change your mindset. The first step to confidence is to stop saying, "My English is bad." Instead, say, "I am learning and I am improving every day." Imagine a small plant. When you give it water and sunlight, it grows. Your English is the same. Feed it with practice and patience, and it will grow stronger. Step 2, speak before you are ready. This sounds crazy, right? But trust me, waiting to be perfect is a trap. Many people say, "I will speak English when my grammar is better." But guess what? That day never comes. Here's what you should do. Speak now. Even if you make mistakes, say simple sentences. Use the words you know. Mistakes are not bad. They are proof that you are learning. Step 3, the 3-second rule. Here's a fun trick to remove fear. When someone speaks to you in English, answer within 3 seconds. Why? Because if you wait too long, fear will take over. Your brain will say, "No, don't speak." What if you make a mistake? Don't listen to that fear. Answer quickly, even if it's just yes, no, or okay. The more you do this, the easier it gets. Step 4, copy like a parrot. Ever noticed how babies learn languages? They copy what they hear. You can do the same. Listen to English speakers and repeat after them. Try this. Watch an English movie or YouTube video. Pause after every sentence. Repeat the sentence exactly how they said it. This will train your mouth to speak naturally. Step 5, the mirror trick. Have you ever talked to yourself in the mirror? It sounds silly, but it works. Stand in front of a mirror and pretend you're talking to a friend. Say things like, hey, how are you today? I love learning English. Wow, I speak English so well. The more you do this, the more natural speaking English will feel. Step 6, make English fun. Who says learning English must be boring? Let's make it fun. Sing English songs, even if your voice is terrible. Sing anyway. Watch funny English videos and laugh. Play English games. When you enjoy learning, your brain remembers faster. Step 7, find a speaking buddy. Speaking alone is great, but speaking with a friend is even better. Find a friend who also wants to improve their English. Every day, talk for just 5 minutes in English. No rules, no grammar books, just talk. The more you speak, the more confident you will feel. What happens if you don't try? Now let's return to the cafe. Remember that moment when the woman asked, "Hey, what's your name?" If you don't try, you might just smile and say nothing. And then you will walk away feeling regret, thinking, "I wish I spoke." But if you use these steps, you will confidently say, "Hi, my name is your name. Nice to meet you." And just like that, a new friendship begins all
because you had the confidence to speak. The final secret twist. Here's the final twist. The biggest mistake is not making mistakes. The biggest mistake is not trying. If you never speak, you will never improve. But if you start speaking today, even a little, you will grow faster than you ever imagined. Your challenge now. I have a challenge for you. For the next 7 days, use one of these steps every day. Day 1. Change your mindset. Say, "I am learning and improving." Day 2. Speak before you are ready. Say one sentence in English. Day 3. Use the 3-second rule. Answer quickly. Day 4. Copy like a parrot. Repeat after an English speaker.
Day 5, talk to yourself in the mirror. Day 6, have fun. Sing an English song. Day 7, find a speaking buddy and talk for 5 minutes. Do this for 7 days and I promise you will feel more confident speaking English. Final words, believe in yourself. Confidence is not about speaking perfect English. It's about speaking bravely. You have the power to speak English fluently. All you have to do is start. So next time someone asks, "What's your name?" smile, take a deep breath, and say it loud and proud. Because guess what? You can speak English with confidence. Now tell me, are you ready to take the challenge? Master English in 7 days. The New York City Challenge. Imagine this. You just landed in New York City, the city of dreams. Skyscrapers touch the sky. Yellow taxis rush past. The streets are alive with people talking, laughing, and making deals. But there's a problem. Everyone is speaking English so fast. The waiter at a cafe asks, "What would you like?" The shopkeeper says, "Cash or card." A stranger asks for directions. You want to answer, but your tongue freezes. Your heart pounds. You know the words, but they won't come out. What do? Run away? Stay silent? Smile awkwardly? Or do you speak English with confidence and own the moment? In the next 7 days, you will learn how to speak English fearlessly, no matter where you are. Are you ready for the challenge? Why do people struggle with speaking English? You studied English in school. You know grammar rules. You can read and write. So why is speaking so difficult? Because confidence is more important than grammar. Many people fear, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh? What if I forget a word? But here's a truth you need to know. Mistakes don't matter. Hesitation does. You must speak first and correct later. Now let's begin the 7-day challenge to unlock your English confidence. Day 1, the mindset switch. Before you speak better, you must think better. Change these thoughts. My English is terrible. I am improving every day. People will laugh at me. People will respect my effort. I will wait until I am ready. I will start now. Just like learning to ride a bike, you must practice, fall, and get up again. Every mistake makes you stronger, not weaker. Day 2, talk like a New Yorker. How New Yorkers speak. They are bold, fast, and confident. Today, practice small talk like a true New Yorker. Say these phrases aloud. Hey, how's it going? What's up? Nice to meet you. Now go outside and talk to someone in English. Even a simple hello counts. Day 3, the 3-second rule. Fear grows when you wait too long to speak. Here's a trick. When someone speaks to you, answer within 3 seconds. For example, someone says, "Where are you from?" Instead of overthinking, reply immediately. "I'm from your country. It's a beautiful place." Speaking quickly removes fear before it controls you. Day 4, copy, don't translate. Many people think in their native language first, then translate it into English. This makes them slow and nervous. Instead, copy how native speakers talk. Try this. Watch an English video, movie, news, or YouTube. Pause after a sentence. Repeat it exactly like the speaker. Your brain will start thinking in English, not your native language. Day 5, speak to yourself in public. Sounds crazy, but it works. While walking in New York City, talk to yourself in English. For example, "Wow, Times Square is amazing. I need to find a coffee shop today. I will speak English confidently. The more you hear your own voice in English, the more natural it feels. Day 6, the one new word trick. Want to sound smarter in English? Learn one new word every day. Today's word, spectacular, meaning amazing or incredible. Use it in a sentence. New York City has spectacular views. The food here is spectacular. Learning one word a day equals 365 new words in a year. Day 7, the final test. Talk to a stranger. This is your ultimate challenge. Go to a cafe, park, or store and talk to a stranger in English. Start simple. Excuse me, where is the subway? Can you recommend a good restaurant? At first, your heart might race. Your hands might feel cold. But guess what? The moment you speak, the fear disappears. And when you finish, you will realize you can speak English confidently. The big twist, the truth about confidence. Here's the shocking truth no one tells you. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a big vocabulary. You just need to start speaking. Confidence doesn't come before speaking. It comes from speaking. The more you speak, listen, and practice, the more natural and fearless you become. So tell me, are you ready to master English in 7 days?